In this problem, we have to find the number of arranging 11 distinct objects taken 4 at a time so that a specific object always occurs. So we are having 4 options and we have to fill this 4 option with 11 distinct objects. It is also given that one option is always occurring. So we will write this is the first option that we are having. Then we can take the cases that is equal to 10, 9 and 8. Now in the second case it is occurring at the second place, so I will write it as here, and then again we are getting 10, 9, 8. Similarly in the third one and in the fourth one you are getting the same thing, that is equal to here you are getting third option, here you are getting fourth option, here also you are getting 10, 9 and 8, here also you are getting 10, 9 and 8. Now what we can do, we can write 10, 9 and 8, 10, 9 and 8 4 times. So we will write it as equal to 4 multiplied with 10, 9 and 8. That's the answer that you will get. You can do the same thing with the formula since it is always occurring. So you will write the value as 4 multiplied with n minus of 1 p r minus of 1. So we can write the same thing here, that is equal to 4 multiplied with 10 p 3, and that will be the same answer that you will get. Let's move on to the next question, in which it is given that it will never occur. Means that we can take only 10 objects at the first place, 9 objects at the second place, at the third place we will take 8 options, and the last place we will take only 7 options, and we are specifying that that object is not occurring. We can do the same thing with the help of elimination process. So firstly we will find we will take 4 options in which no conditions occur, which means that we will write 11, 10, 9 and 8. This is the condition in which no condition is occurring, so we will write as 11, 10, 9 and 8, or we can write the same thing as 11p4. And we can take the condition in which it is always occurring, so we will write as 4 10p3. This is the two conditions that we are taking, and then we can subtract the value and you will get the condition in which the there is a specific object which is not occurring.